'cause I like me best in the dark. And after we finish, could you stick around so that voice in my head doesn't start saying I never should have gone there and taken off my clothes, let you find out what I already know, that I'm still the punchline of childhood jokes, 'cause I carry dead weight and it shows. Sorry, still not at home in my body, just wanted someone to want me, who sees me as more than just funny, 'cause it never feels good being lonely. I'm in my head when you hold me, 'cause you won't be here in the morning, and I'll let you leave, 'cause it never feels good when I never feel good about me. It's been 30 minutes. I told the waiter you're probably just running late, but who am I kidding? You'll never show and I'll never learn from my mistakes. I never should have come here and let you give me hope. I'll pay the bill and cry on my way home, 'cause I'm still the punchline of childhood jokes, and I carry that weight and it shows. Sorry, I'm still not at home in my body, I just wanted someone to want me, who sees me as more than just funny, 'cause it never feels good being lonely. I'm in my head when you hold me, 'cause you won't be here in the morning, and I'll let you leave, 'cause it never feels good when I never feel good about me. Oh, it never feels good. Oh, it never feels good. Will it ever feel good? Will I ever feel good about me?
Let's learn the punchline. It's choreographed by Cody Flowers and Joey Warren. It is a 48 count 4-wall intermediate waltz with a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then go through and do 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the punchline. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do big step back into the right diagonal, dragging your left toe into your right. You're now going to step your left foot back into the left diagonal, dragging your right toe into your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your big steps into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step back with your right. We're now going to step back with our left and rock our right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our drag. You're doing your quarter half back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3, we're going to step back with our right foot and sweep our left from front to back. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 730, and you're going to hook your right heel up to your left shin. You want this hook to be a gradual hook, so you're hitting your shin at count 6. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our side rock. You're doing your sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 4. We're going to do an eighth turning twinkle and then a regular twinkle. So we're going to step forward with our right foot into that 730 diagonal. You're gonna make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder as you rock your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're now gonna cross our left over our right, rock our right foot to the right side and recover onto your left to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hook. You're gonna do your eighth twinkle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these rocks to the side, you want it to be more up on the balls of your feet. Section 5, we are going to step forward with our right foot. You're now going to sweep your left foot from back to front, making a 3/8 turn over our right shoulder to face 130. You're now going to cross rock your left over your right, and if you would like to, as you rock forward, you can kind of bring this right foot up to your left calf, making kind of a figure 4, and then recover back onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our final twinkle. You're going to do your step sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 6, we are going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we rock our left foot to the left side to face 1030 and then recover back onto your right. We're going to cross our left behind our right, squaring ourselves up to 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our rock, recover. You're going to make your quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 7, we're going to do a full turning spiral. So we're going to step our right foot slightly over our left. You're going to turn that full turn over your left shoulder, turning on the ball of your right foot, slightly lifting that left leg up to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a basic forward. So we're going to step forward with our left. We're going to step our right foot next to our left, and then step your left foot down in place. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our quarter turn. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 8 and our final section of the dance. We're going to do a big step back with our right, dragging our left toe into our right. You're now going to step back with your left, make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step your left foot next to your right, taking weight onto that left foot, ready to start the dance all over again with your big step back. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. We just finished our basic forward. You're doing your big step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weights on your left. You're doing your big step back into the diagonal. Back drag, quarter half, back side rock, recover, back sweep, 8th hook, 8th twinkle, 3/8 step sweep, cross a rock, recover, quarter side rock, recover, 8th behind, quarter forward, full spiral, basic forward, back drag, back half together. Ready to start over. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your big step back into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to come at the very end of wall 4. So you'll be dancing our 3 o'clock facing wall. You'll dance the full 48 counts, which is going to bring you back to 12 o'clock. So you're going to add on this 12 count tag as soon as you come back to the front wall for the first time. Weight would be on your left. We would have just finished our step together. Our tag starts just like the dance starts, with that step into the right back diagonal. So section 1 of the tag, you're doing that big step back into the right diagonal, dragging your left toe into your right. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, and you want this to be a gradual rock back. So as we step back, you're going to rock back over those 3 counts, leaning onto that left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your big step into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2 of the tag. We're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to hold, but all you want to think is that this step forward is kind of a slower step forward as you put your weight all the way onto your right foot. We're now going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your right shoulder as you rock forward onto your right foot, nice and slow, and then recover back onto your left, and then you'll be ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that whole tag with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing that big step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're ready to start wall 5. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance, which will include the wall that follows that tag, so you can practice the transition into the next wall. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your big step back into the right diagonal. Back drag, quarter half, backside rock, recover, back sweep, 8th hook. Now your 8th twinkle, step, twinkle, 3/8 sweep, cross rock, recover, quarter side rock, recover, behind, quarter, forward, full spiral, basic, forward, back drag, back half, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back drag, quarter half, backside rock, recover, back sweep, 8th hook, 8th twinkle, 3/8 sweep, cross rock, recover, quarter rock, recover, behind, quarter, forward, full spiral, forward, together, back drag, back half, together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do your tag, back drag, rock back, recover, half, rock, recover, start over, back drag, quarter half, backside rock, recover, back sweep, 8th hook, 8th twinkle, 3/8 sweep, cross a rock, recover, quarter side rock, recover, behind, quarter, forward, full spiral, forward, together, back drag, back half, together, and then you'll dance the rest of the dance all the way through. Now, there is no ending listed on the step sheet. What I like to do is, the dance is going to end facing the side wall, and it ends after a full 48 counts of your front. All I like to do is do a big quarter drag over my right shoulder to face 12 o'clock. So that's how I can end. Now, if you forget and you do that drag back, you can just look over your right shoulder to face 12 o'clock anyways, because it ends after that first 3 counts of the side wall. So you can make that quarter turn, or you could stay facing the side and just look over your shoulder towards 12 o'clock if you wanted to. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the punchline. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Wait just a minute, could we turn the lights out? 'Cause I like me best in the dark. And after we finish, could you stick around so that voice in my head doesn't start saying I You'll never show